Hi there, today painting this lovely background in a series of green and lime circles, just layering on the colour onto the page, just using different colour greens, layering on top, wet on wet technique. The circles are roughly all around the same kind of size, and I'm using Meiliang watercolors today, and I've got 300 grams cold press watercolor paper that I'm painting on, which I've taped down the sides. The size of the paper is about a size A4, so not too big. I just want to get some paint down. This is a quick and easy piece of art to do, so just layering on top, not really worrying too much about these circles, just getting the colour down. When the page is dry, I've got some colouring in pencils here. I'm just identifying where those circles are, so just drawing around them, just making some shapes. Just want to add a bit of interest to the page really, and I just absolutely love colouring in. I find it really therapeutic. I love the way that the pencils feel so soft under your fingers, you know, when you're laying down the colour on top of the watercolours. It's a really nice sensation, very relaxing to do. So just continuing round, using the same colour pencil all the way through. You may want to use different colours so that they stand out more. It doesn't really matter, it's just about having a bit of fun. So I've got this cut out roller sponge here that I think is more aimed at children, but I just love the shape of it, so I decided to purchase it from a discount store, and I've just got some acrylic paint and just painted some lovely shapes onto the page. When the paint is dry, I've got a pen, a gold felt tip pen here, and I'm just identifying those shapes, just highlighting them as I go. So just filling them in just as I go round, just getting those shapes to pop out a little bit more. And then when I've finished doing that, I'm just going to grab some pastels. These are oil pastels, and they're the same colour as the acrylic paint, and I'm just making some marks, so mark making onto that watercolour background. And I love the way the purple and the gold just pops against that green. Really is vibrant. Love the colours together and just love doing this. So outlining the page again with the pastel, smoothing it down with the heat of my fingers, peeling off the tape once I've finished so that I can reveal the lovely picture. And you can see here the gold glistening in the acrylic paint and how the colour bounces around the page. Really nice, easy, simple. Bit of abstract work to do. Hope you've enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.